Guys, welcome back to New Look. I'm back with another natural homemade remedy. Generally, the most common problem every woman faces is the cracked heels, and this become very worse when it comes to winter, and everyone suffer with those cracked heels, pains and lot of suffers. And now I'm going to show one DIY homemade remedy how to treat these cracked heels naturally by sitting at home using the rice powder. With this rice powder, I'm in combination with another some natural ingredients which are readily available at our home. Now I'm going to show how to prepare that DIY. Some reasons for these cracked heels are the lack of moisture, dry air, improper food care, aging and unhealthy diet, wearing the wrong kinds of shoes and prolonged standing on any hard surfaces. Some conditions such as psoriasis, eczema, Crohn's and calluses, thyroid diseases and diabetes can also contribute this problem, that is cracked heels. People with the cracked heels can experience some symptoms such as dry and thickened skin, itching, redness, inflammation and peeling skin. However, if you take some proper precautions right away, you can prevent the scratch if your heels from getting deeper as well as causing the bleeding and pain. So now I'm showing the remedy. This will work very effectively to get rid of the cracked heels. For that, I'm using some amount of rice flour, as I said earlier. In combination with this rice flour, I'm using some turmeric powder, rose water and lemon. By using all these rice flour, turmeric powder, rose water and lemon, now we are going to make a DIY to treat our cracked heels. For this, take a neat and clean bowl. In this, add 1 tablespoon of rice flour, 1/4 spoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of rose water, half of the lemon juice. Now cut the lemon, take out the seeds and squeeze the juice. After this, mix well, as this rice flour works as a great homemade exfoliating scrub that can be used to eliminate the dead skin cells on your feet and heels caused from the cracking and dryness. You can use it as one of the natural homemade remedies for cracked heels. If you have rice, and everyone has rice at home, just blend that rice in the mixer and make a fine powder, or else if you don't have time and patience, just go to the supermarket and there you can buy this rice flour. Mix well. After mixing well, take some paste into your hands and apply on the cracked heels. Just apply like this, don't scrub. Apply a thick layer like this on both the feet and let it sit for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, it will get dry. So after getting dry, just massage your foot on the cracked heels by applying more pressure so that this rice flour helps to exfoliate all the dead skin from your foot and clears that crackness. So that's it guys, this is very useful remedy, but you have to use this very important and effective remedy to reduce the crackedness from your foot. And be cautious while selecting the right footwear. Just wear the footwear which is suitable for your foot, because the wrong footwear also leads to this crackedness on the heels. And to try this remedy, at least 3 to 2 times at least 3 to 4 times in a week. Within 2 to 3 months you will get rid of all these cracked heels. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up, share with your friends and subscribe to Mielo.
Like, share, subscribe, ring the bell button.